Once your Shadow Immobiliser is installed, the system uses a credit card sized tag to disarm the immobilisation. Before starting your journey, you must ensure the card is switched on and with you inside the vehicle. To switch on the Shadow card, press the red button on the back where a single blue LED light will indicate activation. To switch the card off, press the same red button and the blue LED light will flash 3 times. If the card is not in the vicinity or inside the vehicle will not start. To charge your card, connect the charging cable to the round contacts on the front of the Shadow card. If it's connected correctly, the red LED will illuminate, and this will remain red whilst charging. When complete, the LED light will turn green. The Shadow card can take up to 30 seconds to disarm once the card has been switched off, and up to 90 seconds to rearm once the ignition has been switched off. If your card is lost, stolen, or you've forgotten your Shadow card, you can use the included Android or Apple app to start your vehicle. When not in use, your Shadow card should be stored securely in a Faraday wallet away from your vehicle's keys.